From the previous example, if we observe the frequency distribution table, it is easy to see that most of the students have scored between 20 and 40. 8 students have scored more than 40 marks out of 50 and so on. Here, each of the groups 0 to 10, 10 to 20, 20 to 30, etc. is called a class interval or briefly a class. So, what is class interval? When the number of a sample values are large in number and are in wide range, then the whole data is divided in a number of several groups according to the size of the sample. Each of the groups made as above is known as class interval or simply a class.